That's a nice question. How does it shape who I am?
Geography has kind of been like the missing link for forming my worldview.
I now see the world in kind of a different way when I'm, out and about.
Understanding the global impact of my actions. I learned about the environment, the different ecosystems, and I learned to love nature as a professional thing, not just something that you're born with. It's something that I was able to hone my abilities to study what I love.
I love understanding what makes one place different from another and appreciate the difference.
And I can approach like data sets and interpreting information with more confidence that would otherwise seem too intimidating to even engage with.
I believe that in the next 5, 10, 15 years, the number of jobs that are at the intersection of climate change and societal responses to climate change is going to increase tremendously.
So if you're interested in working outside, there's many fieldwork and research opportunities.
State environmental offices, many go to work for the city of New York.
Something like ecotourism at a cool national park.
There are about 1 million career paths that environmental science students can take, mainly because climate change is relevant to every single field.
The lives of their families, the lives of their communities, the lives of their cities, right? And anywhere they would be in this world will be always connected to those things. So that is very, very important to understand yourself not as atomized individual, but as someone who is connected to place, to people at all these different scales.
Acquiring knowledge is not always it's moving away from your comfort zone, because if you already know something and you're comfortable, you don't need to bother. And that the beauty of what's around us, and share maybe a little bit my love for what I do.
Okay, a fun fact relating to geography is that up until the year 2000, GPS was actually purposely downgraded so that people wouldn't actually quite know where they are by the US military. And so after the year 2000, they decommissioned that system. And so now GPS on like our smartphones is a lot more accurate